Hi, my name is Christy Thiel and this is my website project. The name of my website is Salon Theodora, and I chose this topic because my friend owns a hair salon and I thought having a website could increase her business. So this is the home page. We have the navigation up at the top here, which when you hover over each one it changes color. Then we have our large image of the salon right up top. And as we scroll down, there is a little blurb from her just about what she can do for you. And this is an image of Theo, the owner. And if you click on that, there is another image of her cutting someone's hair. And at the bottom, there's a review from a customer, and along with the address and phone number of the salon. Next page is the About page. On this page, it talks about where she went to school and how many years of experience she has cutting hair, along with another review and the address and phone number again. Gallery page is the next page. These are just some of the hairstyles which she has created. Each one has the description on the bottom, and if you click on each one you can get a larger image so you can see it more closely. And then at the bottom again, a review from a customer as well as the address and phone number. Next we have the services page. This has all the different services and prices, such as haircuts and perms, along with hair color. And towards the bottom, there are links to two different product lines that they use in the salon, along with another review here at the bottom and the address and phone. Next is the hours page. We have the hours for each day that the salon is open here. Again, along with a review at the bottom, and once again the address and phone. Next we have the location page. And if you hold down the control key and scroll on the map, you can get a closer up look at where the salon is located. And once again, our review and address and phone at the bottom. Next we have the appointments page. And if you click on the hair dryer, you have a little animation there. And we have our phone number for calling to make an appointment, or if you just want to send an email, you can click on the email address there to send an email. Or if you want to book an appointment online, you can do that by filling out the form. Just need to fill out each field because they are all required. Choose your month and your day for your appointment and your time, and then the service that you would like to have done, and then pops up your submit page where it shows that your appointment has been booked. Now back to the home page. This one was my favorite page. I really liked the image of the salon and how the whole page turned out. The gallery page here was the most difficult page, trying to get all the images centered and the squared and everything evenly spaced. So I found that to be the most difficult. And the web host I used was Alta Vista, and I did not have any problems with that one.